If you are bored and tired of the Samsung Galaxy's own keyboard app and you want to switch to Google Keyboard because it has much more functions, I will teach you how you can do just that. But before we get started, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Installing Gboard or even setting it to your default keyboard like your Google keyboard instead of Samsung keyboard on a Samsung Galaxy device is fairly simple. First, you have to install Google Keyboard by simply opening up your settings your Play Store and typing in Gboard. Find the Gboard app from Google. So let me just go ahead and then wait until I find it and make sure to tap the install button. Now this is just normally the process on how you can install the Google Keyboard app. But you want to set it, let's say, as a default app. So instead of using this particular Samsung keyboard that we have right now, you want to change to Google Keyboard because you're more familiar with it. Simply open it up after installing. It says enable in settings. Now once you see this, what I recommend you do is you simply try to open up settings, go to general. Now under general, you can see a couple of options. It says keyboard list and default. Over here, you'll find this option called Gboard. First, make sure to enable that after you've installed it. Now go to default keyboard and change it to Gboard. Now after you've done that, next time when you type something, you'll see the Google keyboard instead of your Samsung keyboard. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.